Friends, I'm a sales professional since last 12 years. I've seen a lot of ups and downs in my sales career, and I'm sure that there will be more ups and downs in the coming future. Hence, from my experience, let me quickly share with you why I feel that selling is not just a job or a profession, but a way of life. Selling impacts every person on this planet. Your ability to sell, persuade, negotiate, and convince others will affect every area of your life and will determine how well you live and survive in this competitive world. No matter where you are in your life, or what your title, role, or position is in your company, you will at some point in time have to convince others of something. Selling is used every day by every person on this earth. No one is excluded. Believe me, my friends, no one is excluded. Selling is not just a job or a career. Selling is essential for the survival and well-being of every living individual. Your ability to do well in life depends on your ability to sell others on the things in which you believe. You need to know how to negotiate and how to get agreement from others. The ability to get others to like you, work with you, and to please you determines how well you survive. So friends, when I say selling, I'm talking about anything having to do with convincing, persuading, negotiating, or just getting your way. This could include debating, getting along with others, exchanging goods or services, convincing a girl to go out with you, buying or selling a home, convincing the bank to give you a loan, starting your own business, persuading others on your idea, or it could be convincing a customer to buy a product or a service from you. Friends, it is said that the number one reason of a business getting failed is having less capital. But that's not the truth, my friends. The truth is that a business first and foremost fails because their products or services weren't sold quickly in great quantities enough, and hence they ran out of money. No business owner can build or run a business without understanding this critical element called selling. Think of any action in your life, and I can assure that there is someone at the end or other end trying to sell something. Do leave in the comment box any activity of your life, and let's ponder how selling is involved there. If you liked my thoughts about selling, please hit the like button and comment your thoughts. Do subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you get a notification every time I post a video. Thank you and have a nice day.